Japan now has an 80% chance of hiking rates on December 18th to 19th, and that single move could trigger one of the biggest global financial shifts in decades, one that may end up impacting XRP far more than anyone expects. After more than 30 years of near zero interest rates, Japan raising rates effectively kills the yen carry trade, the hidden liquidity engine that institutions have used for decades to borrow cheap yen, convert it into dollars, and flood US markets with capital. Stocks, bonds, tech, and yes, even crypto. When Japanese yields rise, that trade breaks, and those institutions are forced to unwind positions, sell risk assets, and convert money back into yen. We already saw what happened the last time Japan tightened in August 2024. Bitcoin plunged to 49K, and over $1.14 billion in position liquidated almost instantly. Bitcoin is usually the first to get sold simply because it's the most liquid asset in the room. But here's the twist. When the carry trade unwinds, liquidity doesn't vanish, it rotates. And it doesn't rotate into speculation, it flows into utility. During liquidity stress, institutions prioritize fast settlement, low FX costs, and efficient cross-border transfers, which is exactly what XRP was built for. Japan, one of the largest FX hubs in the world, already has deep ties to Ripple through SBI and has tested Ripple's digital settlement technology for years. If Japanese banks or FX corridors begin using XRP even lightly, the available supply on exchanges tightens because institutions hold XRP in liquidity pools and custodial accounts, not as a tradable asset. That's where real price pressure begins. Light utility could support a $3 to $7 range, broader corridor use could justify $10 to $30, large-scale settlement could push XRP into the $50 to $100 range, and in an extreme global liquidity crunch where banks urgently need fast, scalable settlement rails, XRP could mathematically revalue far higher, not from hype, but from necessity. If XRP ever reaches those levels, it won't be from meme coin pumps or retail FOMO. It will be because institutions accumulate and use it as infrastructure. Japan's rate shift, the collapse of the carry trade, and the rotation of liquidity toward real utility paint a very clear picture of why XRP might be positioned for a major revaluation in the future. But now, I want to hear from you. What do you think? Could Japan actually be the catalyst for XRP's next big move? Is XRP ready to become real financial plumbing, or is the market still sleeping on utility? And the real question, where do you see XRP going from here? Let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.